Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Witchyn. Today we are going to get all the way into passion fruit. Passion fruit happens to be one of my passions. It's one of my favorite fruits. Okay, so first and foremost, what we're gonna do is talk about how do we know passion fruit is ripe. Well, if you touch it, you can feel a slight give back or squishiness to it, then you know it's done. You can also smell the passion fruit, and like in this area or this area, and if it gives off a slight fragrance, even in the skin part, you can smell the fragrance from this thing. I can't even tell you, I don't know what it smells like, but it smells like a passion fruit. Like it smells like almost like a fruit punch, but not quite fruit punch, but it smells like a tropical fruit punch. So that's how you know, right? That is ready. All right, boom. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the fruit and we're gonna just lay it. You can do it this way, but I don't wanna fight the stem, okay? I just had another situation trying to record this video and I was fighting the stem. Stems are really easy to come out. You just take it, twist, 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 boop, it pops out, okay? So now we got the passion fruit here. We're gonna take this passion fruit. You can cut it in this angle. You can cut it in this angle. It's really up to you. I'm gonna go ahead and try to be bold and cut, you know, across the stem part, right? So now I have the passion fruit. I'm holding it from side to side. Watch your fingers, and we are going to cut. Cut, 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 cut. Okay, that's not working. So we're gonna go with a bigger knife, okay? And we're gonna put a little bit more pressure. Okay, and so this passion fruit is it's not trying to let us in, okay? So that's okay, we got yeah, where that came from, okay? We're gonna get this pulp from this passion fruit, okay? I'm gonna tell you that much. So we here, go ahead. Here's good, go ahead. Okay, here we go. See, bam. All right, boom. Now you get an opportunity to see why we had a little moment here, because sometimes these fruits, they don't want you to just, you know, they want to do what they want to do. They want to just be passion fruit and we want to be greedy, right? Okay, so, excuse me. So now we got the passion fruit open. Look how beautiful this piece of fruit is, this art is. It's gorgeous, it's beautiful. And it's great for, okay. This here you can make awesome jelly out of. You can put in your smoothies. You can make ice cream. You can actually just scoop this in your juices. Passion fruit is beautiful. You can make, like I said, jellies, jams, or you can just eat it like this. So after we cut it open, right, you see the skin is really thick. What we do is we just do like that. You see, it's not even like much to do. You see all of that juice? So you can just go like this. You see that? Okay, and I don't know what the debate is about passion fruit, but I'm gonna tell you, I eat the seeds, okay? But I am not encouraging you to. I eat the seeds, they're fine. Again, anything you see here on Kitchen Witchyn, any of the conjuring we do your own research, enter at your own risk. But passion fruit has been something that has been used for a very, very long time by many cultures, my ancestors, and I suggest you give it a try. I just took a sip, and let me tell you something. This is delicious. I mean, you didn't even have to do it. Look, look. You see the color? You see the color? It is the passion fruit. It smells good. It tastes good. Okay. Now I'm going to show, well, you're not going to see it all, but I'm going to grab some of this here. And the seeds just go down like nothing. It's like, you don't even have to do anything. This is an awesome, awesome, awesome fruit. And I'm going to put this over here because what we're going to do is we're making a nice smoothie sorbet for my family. And they're going to enjoy it. But I have a lot more passion fruit where that come from. And so maybe we'll go into more detail. FYI, I do not recommend, I'm not saying nothing about the seeds, but I don't recommend eating the what is this thing called here? The skin. And the reason why, because there's certain chemicals in the skin that can be rendered poisonous. Okay? So do not tell anyone that you came to Kitchen Witchyn and I recommended you guys to eat or to feed anybody this particular skin Only eat the inside, okay? Conjure on.